Hello, are you surprised to see the title of the movie? Ramp Walk by Seniors. Well, ordinarily it is the prerogative of the youngsters. Pretty women, handsome young men to do the ramp walk wearing designer dresses at various fashion shows. But we, the seniors, have our own fashion, our own style of dressing, and we are experts in ramp walking here at Suvidha. You know why? Because here there are ramps everywhere. The interior roads are all like ramps. And each of the 200 cottages in our colony is connected to the road by a ramp. So we daily walk along these ramps. And this short movie is to showcase the style of dressing and the way the seniors walk along these ramps. All this done outdoors and at various picturesque locations all over Suvidha. This part 1 is mainly ramp walk by super seniors above 70, above 80 and even above 90s. Take a look, you'll be surprised. Wing Commander Rajamani served in the Air Force for about 30 years. His wife, Professor Rukmini, was Professor of Indian Philosophy and Sanskrit language of international fame. Om Bhurbhavasva Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Om Om. They have been walking together in life for 60 long years. Mr. Veeranna Chigateri is an educationist in Davangere. He is also manufacturer of bulletproof vests for the Indian Army, Police Force and others. Major Sudarshan served in the army for about 30 years, and his wife Geeta Sudarshan worked in travel industry. They have been married for about 52 years. Sudarshan and Geeta. Coming next is Mr. Devidas Prabhu, who was Deputy General Manager in Indo-German Coke Oven Industry. His wife Pushpa Prabhu is a homemaker. They have been married for 55 years. Devidas Prabhu and Pushpa. Mr. Len Shepherd was the general manager of Binni Limited in Madras. He also served as warrant officer in Royal Army Ordnance Corporation. Dr. P.M. Chandrasekhara is a well-known cardiac anesthesiologist of over 50 years experience, currently with Jayadev Institute of Cardiology, Bangalore. Len Shepherd and PMC. Mr. Shepherd is the senior-most person living in Suvidha, always upright and smartly dressed. Brigadier Parthasarathi served in the army for about 32 years. He is an expert in animal breeding and genetics. He is accompanied by Mr. Suresh, Agricultural Marketing Officer in Government of Karnataka. Brigadier Parthasarathi and Suresh Babu. Mr. P.K. Nayak was the top executive of National Bank of Abu Dhabi. His wife Vasanti Nayak is a Sanskrit scholar and lover of Sanskrit and is into spirituality. This is a poem adapted for conditions in Suvidha from the original poem of Lord Tennyson, adapted by Mr. P.K. Nayak. Mr. Ramamurthy is an engineer turned activist. His wife Meenakshi is the co-founder of All India body Sikshana. Coming behind is Mr. D.D. Prabhu. Mr. Ram Mohan Rao is a civil engineer, served as a diplomat in Indian Embassy, Moscow. And Vidya Rao is an entrepreneur running service apartments in Bangalore. Dr. Shekhar was the first plastic surgeon in the state of Karnataka. He is also founder chairman of our Suvidha. He is managing director of Bangalore Hospital also. His wife, Dr. Manjula, was professor of anatomy in Bangalore Medical College. Coming next is Mr. G.K. Raju. He was director of Tata Group of Companies for many years. He is accompanied by his wife Lalita Raju, who is a homemaker and has been his support at home and his profession. Always upright, smartly dressed, walking like a soldier. Friends at Suvidha call him Admiral G.K. Raju. Mr. Vittal Rai served as a collector of 3 districts in the state of Karnataka, also as a secretary to Government of Karnataka. His wife Lalita Rai is a homemaker. Mr. Subbarao is an electrical engineer and he worked with English Electricals and ABB. His wife Rama is a future and options trader in the stock market. Suparna and Rama. Coming next are Mr. Ashok Dey, who is a media marketing man. He is also ardent lover of birds and butterflies, and he has recorded the various birds in Suvidha and compiled it. His wife Dr. Lakshmi is a family physician and pediatrician, and also serves as a medical officer for all of us at Suvidha. Mr. S.K. Gupta was professor of IIT in Bombay, also chairman of MECOM, and also director of Steel Authority of India and JSW Steels. Dr. Mohan Rao worked as an honorary professor of surgery and honorary surgeon in Government Medical College in Chennai, and he practiced as a surgeon specializing in general surgery and other surgery for over 40 years. Please await part 2 and part 3, showcasing the younger generation and the younger brigade and the singles. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you and goodbye.